Good morning guys, welcome back to Bali. As I said yesterday, as I promised, I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning, went in the pool right away. Pretty cool morning, pretty cool sunrise as well. But I just started breakfast now and the lady went to the market. She went to buy all the things needed for breakfast. I have one coaching call this morning with one of my academy members. I'll do that, I'm pretty excited as always. Let's get started right away. Last time I picked you guys up was breakfast. Now it's already lunchtime. Life goes by so fast, it's amazing. I'm going to eat at this place for the third time. Last two times the Wi-Fi didn't work. I'm giving them a third chance, see if the Wi-Fi works. But the food was good, so. Wi-Fi was good this time. I'm not exactly sure how you guys realize, but the noise here is always super huge. There's always like a big noise whenever you walk on the street or whatever. That's what I meant. And I've had some trouble editing the past couple of videos because of the noise, and I would have to like cut some parts or like delete the whole clip. I think it's going to be a good occasion for us to examine the topic of noise. When I say noise, I just want to make it clear. I'm not going to talk about all these things that make noise and like that wrong stuff. I want to talk about things that make noise in trading. And that's going to mean, in my case, things that produce an effect, but that the effect doesn't matter. Like, you shouldn't care. And these things are everywhere. If you let yourself get destabilized by that noise, you'll always be stressed, always be not sure what you're doing, and you'll always want to rely on some information outside of you. You do not trust what you control and what really matters. So guys, I couldn't be more close to the beach than this. It's really beautiful, I'll show you. But in front of me there's a pack of napkin and stuff, and on the other side it's the beach, which makes it pretty cool. The waves are big, there's some boats, sand. That's the type of restaurant that I like to be. So let's talk about the first noise part in trading. And that is, I think, the one that people struggle the most with, and it's returns. It's so easy to look at your return and to determine how good you are as a trader. You can look whether you lose money, make money, and decide that you are a good trader or a bad trader. But does that really mean that you're going to be good or bad? It depends. Because you could respect your plan for a whole month and still lose money. You could do stupid shit for a whole month and win a lot of money. So you have to be really careful. I'll put some link below for you guys. You want to have a good trading journal to track your stats. But people are going to look at your stats and draw from this conclusion as to whether they're good traders or bad traders. And that's going to create a huge mess. That's pretty much the main reason why I don't look at my stats at all, except at the end of the month. From month to month, you could have some different results. And within the month, you're definitely going to have some good weeks and bad weeks. But if you're stressed out every time you have a bad week, how do you want to perform good for your good week? You're not going to be focused to do your good week. You're always going to be stressed out, and that's going to be terrible. So that's the first part. The other thing I would call noise is other people's opinions at all times. I used to be really concerned about what other people were thinking about, what charts they were looking at. But the thing is, people's opinion in trading doesn't matter. As long as you respect your plan, your job is done. There's nothing else to do. And always searching for that external validation will make you even more stressed. You're always going to want to have an opinion from someone else. And when you don't have the opinion, you'll be paralyzed. So it's hugely important to know your plan and to execute only that plan. As long as your plan is good, you're good. I understand there's a point about asking people's opinion, talking with other traders, but that's different. If you just talk with people, understand how they act, what they think about, that's fine. But the problem is when you want to have this external validation, this person thinking like you, to just validate your idea. That's a big noise. And the last piece of noise is going to be within your trading methodology, within the things you look at. And that could be hard to understand. There's so many things that people try to look at. Look at the news, look at different indicators. But here's the thing, if you don't have a rule for how you use a tool, then it's noise. Just try to confirm. You're just not sure what to do. Because why having something that's unclear, that you're not sure if it's going to work or not, that you're just trying to make your trade better, why would you have that? Like, there's no reason. So you want as much as possible to simplify, and you're not going to be confused because everything is simple, everything is simplified at the deepest level. And the only thing you have to think about is to execute, to act on that plan. I decided to take a random street to go outside the beach. We'll see what there is around here. It's much better walking on this beach than here, I think. Back in a more familiar area now. I think I'll go work a little bit because I do have some more emails to send, some emails to reply to, and then go for your dinner. And I pushed myself to send all the email till the last, trying to plan my 100th episode of the podcast, which is coming out in about 4 or 5 weeks, with 100 interviews, and I am super excited for this. Been sending a bunch of email about that topic. Now let's go get some dinner. Like the time I come here. It's just incredible to have all this food for like $3. It's a little bit crazy how the past couple of days has been. Really packed. Although I feel I didn't do much, but there was always something to do like all the time between traveling and doing some work. So just a lot of work I've done. But I'll try in the next couple of days to explore a little bit more here. For now, I'll conclude the video here, guys. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, give it a like. Comment below with any thoughts, especially how I want to hear those all the time. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. I had a good collaboration published last Sunday with my friend George Papasov. I hope you guys are going to watch it. It's really, really good advice. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Ciao.